I thought this video would be important. I'm trying to branch out from making videos just about Halifax and actually talking about, why it's important to put yourself out there in the world and talk about things that inspire you. And I think YouTube is a great way to do that. But I think that it's very hard for so many students to be consistent YouTubers because they have work all the time. Now, I'm somebody who makes over 1,000 videos a year, so I think I can talk on that topic. Now, all of my videos are on YouTube. I make videos on online creator platforms like teaching platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, and I average 35 videos a day sometimes. But I do put a lot of thought and effort into the videos. Trust me, I get drained, I get tired, so I know what it's like, and I know the mindset it takes to be making videos on a continuous basis, especially as a student. So, if you want to make videos as a student and you're going to start a channel or you already have one, be sure to subscribe. By subscribing, you're going to get all of my updates. We're going to talk about Halifax, we're going to talk about marketing your channel, and really getting out there and building that YouTube channel. So here's some advice from me. You're a student and you want to create a YouTube channel. The first thing you need is a camera. If you have that down, fantastic. If you don't have a camera, you probably have a phone. And if you have a phone, you can easily use that to make YouTube videos. The quality is good enough. My only advice is to get good lighting if you're going to be using your phone for your YouTube channel. Once you have good lighting, things are going to get a lot easier for you. And you're going to make really great content. And the sound isn't always that great on phones. So what you can do is get a lavalier mic or a clip mic. And it plugs into your phone. Look up phone or iPhone, whatever phone you have, lavalier mic, or lav mic or clip mic, and buy one on Amazon. It could be $7, $8. You want to get a high-end one, 25 bucks. By the time it's shipped to you, you plug it in, clip it to your shirt, you have good audio, you can make YouTube videos. Great thing about making YouTube videos on your phone is that you can shoot them and you can edit them in the free version of iMovie or something else, or you can do no editing at all. You can even live stream and the videos go straight up on YouTube, which removes all that time it takes. When I finish these videos, I put them into an editor. Even if they're just sit down and talk videos like this, they go straight into Premiere and I put them in an editor. So you'd be saving all that time as a student while you're making YouTube videos. I think it's a great opportunity, even if you're not planning to use YouTube as a career, if you're planning to do engineering, to make videos about engineering, because when employers look you up and they look up your competitors, they're gonna see that you're making videos and content about this thing that you really care about, that you think is cool. And at the same time, even if it has nothing to do with your career, if it's a hobby, it gives you time to talk about it and build a community. The point of YouTube is to build a community, build people who are following what you're doing and who just really want to interact with your content. So that's my advice. Go ahead and do it. Find something you want to do and then use that device. If you're cramped for time, use a phone. That's going to give you more time as a student. It's going to be more convenient. And hey, later on, you can always change what your channel is about, slide into another niche if you haven't discovered it yet. There's opportunities to make mistakes, opportunities to experience, discover, and learn. So that's what I recommend doing. I think every student should be making that channel. And you're probably wondering, how do I get my first initial subscribers? I can give you so many ways, but the video is not about that. I'm going to give you a couple. Two things. First of all, make videos that are in high demand, but there's little content for. When I started making videos about Halifax, my channel started growing. I was getting maybe 6,000, 7,000 watch minutes 2 months ago, and now I'm getting 25,000 watch minutes consistently. We're at 10,000 views a month. It's not incredible, but we're building up a community slowly. I'm really excited because if this continues, in the next 12 months, we're gonna have a very big community where we can talk about marketing, we can talk about making YouTube channels, we can create events. So I really want to try to build that family. Do me the biggest favor in the world. Hit that subscribe button, turn on my notifications. It's that little bell button. If you hit that, you'll get all of my updates and be active. It helps the channel grow, and if you have any videos, tell us about it in the comment description below. I don't mind you self-advertising on my channel, but please interact with the video, talk about, let's start a conversation here. Don't just post links to your videos. Introduce us to your channel, but also engage with the dialogue and discussion. Reply to other people on this channel. And go ahead, if you're a student, create that YouTube channel because you won't regret it. It's really going to help you out. It's going to open opportunities and doors. And one thing, I know YouTube is a crowded space, but if you're consistent enough, you can do it. My advice, upload 2 or 3 times a week. If you have that phone, it's going to be a lot easier. Use the phone if you don't have a camera. Thanks for watching, and take care.